Frame control.
Frame control, who is that?
Have you heard of that?
No.
Okay.
Happy to listen.
Well, we'll go deeper than that. I'm going to frame control you.
Okay.
But before that, think of it as what is frames? It's ultimately, if you think of a house and you're looking out the window, say at the backyard, depending on which window you look at the backyard through, you're going to see a very different representation of the backyard. Right? For myself, this is the example I always give. When I first moved to LA, one of the first kind of dead-end jobs that I had was selling cars for 2.5 to 3 months. Used cars at Honda of Hollywood. Some new cars too. And I just turned 21 and I go there and I'm like, hey, I need a job. Now I'd looked online at the things to say to get hired by a car dealership. And the number one piece of advice, including journalists who went undercover in interview processes, basically they all said, just say you want money. It's the number one thing they care about. They want sharks. So that was the answer to most of the questions. It's like, so why do you want to work at Honda of Hollywood? Money. Okay, well, are you into cars? Money. And the final question was, well, look, you said all the right answers, money. But you're 21. Why would we hire you? You have no experience. You've never worked at a car warranty, like a car dealership. You have no experience in sales, really. Why would we hire you? Now that is a frame. Me, what are the facts? Me, 21. The window they're looking at me at is young, inexperienced, no sales background. And this is where frame battles come into play. That's one way of looking at it. What's another way? And this is what I told this person. I said, sure, I'm 21, I have no experience, but that's actually good. Why? Because I don't have any of the bad habits picked up. I'm young, I'm motivated. I'm more motivated than those old fucks. There's nothing you have to make me unlearn. I'm a blank slate. Mold me and make me how you want me to be. And I got hired. Get it? Different frames. So let me throw one at you. Why do you just do that?
Huh?
Yeah, why do you do that?
Why not?
Okay. What did I just do? Frame on that behavior. What are the facts? Why do you just do that? I framed it as weird. Now by you, even in your tonality and response, you bought into my frame. Why not?
Okay, yeah.
So you validated the frame. Now it becomes both of our frames, and they'll get sucked into that. Why are you trying so hard right now? It's a little weird. The way you're staring at me, it's a little too hard. Why?
I am listening to you.
That's very insulting.
In what way?
Just the way you said it. I'm listening to you. What did I do to you, dude?
Nothing, man.
Even that tone, you're patronizing. You're talking down to me. I'm here trying to help you. Why? Why are you doing this? Like, screw this whole frame control example. Why? What did I do to you, dude? Why?
Absolutely.
You're being so disrespectful.
I am listening to you.
No. Even the way you're moving your hands is so insecure and disrespectful. You're stepping back, which is even more insulting.
Why not? I can do that.
Whoa.
What is your problem with me?
You're not going to try hard your way out of this one.
Okay.
Why are your lips shaking? I feel like that's some attack.
I don't know. Maybe it comes from a little bit of anxiety, but...
Whoa. You're saying I make you anxious?
No, I guess it's
Whoa.
being seen, you know, on the...
Don't put it on them. Can you apologize, please? Because that was really rude. Everything about what you just did was really rude.
I don't think I have anything to apologize for.
That's denial. That's the patriarchy. And you laugh at that? Do you know how many victims there are? And you're laughing at the victims? What do you have to say for yourself? Tell YouTube, there's tens of thousands of people. You have no respect for the victims of the patriarchy.
Okay, let's not go that far.
We did.
Whoa.
Don't minimize things that are important. Are victims important? Yeah. You're saying, no. You're minimizing actual victims. Now you're staring at me like you're about to kill me. It's very violent. Everything about you is very violent right now.
In what way?
You wore red like blood.
I'm just
Yes, no,
chilling.
step away, sir. Step away. Do you see what I'm doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Now what is that? Frames. Do you get it?
Now, before things start getting intense here, if you're looking to go through a similar process yourself and receive direct feedback from me personally, no matter where you find yourself in the world, then click the link below this video right now and apply for online coaching. This is my signature program, so click the link and I'll see you in there.
You might have people like this in your life. People who will use anything to take offense, okay? I love your dress.
Thank you.
Why did you say thank you like that? That was really rude. It's like you didn't acknowledge my compliment. Thank you. I was actually being nice, complimenting your dress, and you say that to me? What did I do?
Nothing.
But even the way you do that, it's like you're trying to flip me off. What? Oh. And you too?
Yes.
Why are you laughing at that?
It's funny.
My misery is funny to you.
Yeah, it is.
And you're the worst.
Yeah.
That little laugh, that little patronizing smile. What did I ever do to you? And you too. You're even, why are you doing that to me? The fact that you're not talking, is that because you think I can't handle it? I see how it is. You know what, just tell me to fuck off. Can you tell me to fuck off? I see what you mean. Yeah.
I love you.
No, see, even the way she said that, I was like, I love you, it meant fuck you.
No, I love you.
Now that's the more aggressive one. What about the more victim one? The one who makes everything about me. How you doing? Do you like the event?
Yes, I do.
Well, I'm happy at least you like it. Again, it's like, do you see these frames?
Yeah.
Now, when do these frames happen most of the time? Are they consciously?
No.
Subconsciously. Or tied to the different levels. If you're someone who's in grief, right, victimhood, there's going to be a lot of that. Back to poor me, back to poor me. In fear, there's going to be a lot to that. Anger, a lot of, what? Trying to fuel it. Catch the frames. And anything can be a frame. Now, what's the toxic side of this? Going the opposite side. Overly paranoid, right? It's like, hey, like this was a casual hey, and he's probably thinking like, what's the frame here?
Oh, right, yeah.
Get it? Yeah, so then you can get overly paranoid. The best way to pass any kind of frame imposed on you is one, authenticity and to be grounded. That's it. Like authenticity is the best frame, and the way to view it when people try to say that to you, instead of immediately playing in, which is what a lot of you did, which I liked, which is better than just succumbing, meaning, why are you trying so hard? That's a frame I could throw on any of you. Option one is to be like, I'm not. Okay, that's not good. Option two is to aim for self-amusement, which a lot of you did. But self-amusement is still validating my frame. Option three is to sit there and say, what is Julien inviting me into right now? Because I'm ultimately inviting you to play a game. It's like I open a door and it's like, hey, do you want to play this frame battle? Yeah? White shirt? Do you want to play this? I see your eyes. Yeah, don't look down, trying so hard. So here you can choose, do I want to play it or not? And then, it doesn't mean you have to be quiet, you can still respond, but people will sense on an emotional level, you are not invested or bought into it. Meaning, I'm good. And people usually closest to you, or even family members, or who trigger you, will try to always invite you into that, especially patterns in your life. Think of the people you always fight with the most, or there's always that emotional tension with. They'll find ways to throw a frame that reinforces that. Like I said, the best way to win is to be so in your own frame, aka authenticity. Live life through your eyes. What do you value? How do you see yourself? And will you pass a lie detector with that? If that's the case, then you stop looking outward and you don't get sucked in as much. You ultimately see all sorts of different people playing different social games. That's it. The same way, just because it's an exercise, you see just how ridiculous and over the top what I'm doing is. That's what you start seeing most people in life. Make sense? Why are you not nodding? Very disrespectful. You, yeah, look away. Even worse, I wasn't even talking to you. You in front. Why are you attacking me behind there? I was talking to her. Yeah.
I was nodding inside of my head.
Because I'm white?
Yeah.
Do you see the frames, implications, da-da-da? Beware. Are you nodding now because you mean it, or is it just passive and aggressive, just like, you like it now, fucker?
Yes,
Why are you laughing? Because I'm white? Don't you let that lip shake? You're gonna listen. Actually, good, really good. Now, last thing, try throwing some frames on the audience. Frame battle a few in the audience. Then you're done. You're doing great.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why do you have fun?
Was that porn?
Why do you have fun?
Was that porn?
Yeah, is that porn?
Was that a Julien video?
Is this not entertaining to you? Hello? What is this?
Okay, I like it. So the content's good, but your tonality is too reactive.
Too reactive. All right.
Right? So it's like you're trying too hard. Why is your hand there? It's trying so hard. See how our hand's there, everyone? It's trying so hard. Well, who comes off as trying too hard? Me. So it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. At a core, it's who is more emotionally attached to the outcome of the interaction. Who cares more? Who's reacting more? Also, who is setting the rhythm? In any interaction, and again, don't take this too far and become paranoid, but even amongst friends, it's a certain dance. Like if we were hanging out, I'm like, hey, how's your day going? Good?
Yes.
Then she'd probably talk, right? So when I say, hey, how's your day going? She's experiencing me, reacting to me. Then she'll say something and I'll sit back and I'll experience her, and that's a friendship. It's a dance, right? But if I'm like, hey, so how's your day going? How's your day going? Huh? Or whatever she says, I just get more emotionally reactive. Like if I tell you nice, you'll be like, But if you say nice to me, I'm like, oh, right? Then I care more. If the interaction ends, who cares more, me or her?
You.
Yeah. So same here. It's like, who cares more about the frame control? You. And by caring more about it, you fall into the weaker frame. Now let's do the ultimate one up in front.
Ultimate one, okay.
Notice how you feel inside when this entire audience boos you. So they're going to impose a boo frame. Are you going to join them and succumb to social pressure, or are you going to stay grounded in authenticity? Everyone boo him. Harsher than that, come on. No, okay, now pause. More of that, harsher. Come on, Amsterdam. You're like, boo. But also, notice his immediate reaction, fight back. You bought into the frame.
That's so tricky. I just can't, man.
Yeah, like, would you do that? Like, say, again, you're walking down the street and say I'm like a homeless, really mean, horrible person in the street and I'm eating dirt and you're walking by and I'm like, boo. Would you be like, I better flip this guy off, or would you just not worth the energy?
Right, I see the comparison, yeah.
The crowd is the crowd, just licking dog's shit, drinking semen. Go, boo him. Oh. Now pause. Anything get triggered? If there's a little bit, which is normal, that's what you let go of. Because ideally you should hear this and be like, the same with everyone, look at them again, cheer him on. Do you feel better hearing that? Let's try again. It's like playing two songs. Let's go the boo song. The cheering song? Oh, pause. You like that one that much more?
No,
it just sounds. You're like, oh, that sound. Oh, man. It's like you literally just came on stage. You're like, ah! Like.
I just found the whole situation funny, you know.
Well, thank you. But that's the thing. It's like for any of you, it's like if you feel different, it's literally just sounds. It's like playing two songs. It's like rock music, rap music. Insane.
Yeah.
Now, do you want to try a last frame control? See how grounded you are? Exercise. Here's what you're going to do. What's a movie you really, really like?
Lord of the Rings, classic.
Good. Tell us about that movie. Well, tell me about that movie. While you tell me about the movie, I'm going to distract you. The way I'm going to distract him is anything goes. I might ask you questions. I might be loud. I might clap in front of your face. You name it. And your job is to not react or ping off of me, meaning draw it from within. So keep talking about it. So in Lord of the Rings, and if I'm like, bah, 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 you just keep talking about Lord of the Rings. Ignore me. Ready? In the middle. Go.
All right.
Whoa,
Lord
why
of the
did you
Rings
look
is
down?
about the
Wait, what do you do with your hand there? That's really weird. What, you trying to touch your dick there? Ignore me, keep talking. I don't
It's a
exist.
movie about one
Yeah.
ring
It's the
that
one.
needs to be
The
brought
ring.
to
Where does the
mortar
ring
and
go?
be destroyed.
Ooh,
So
that's
there's this
super
person-
sexual. You
there's
know,
this
this is
person
very
called
inappropriate.
Frodo,
Why are you walking
which
back from me?
has
Which
a
has,
ring.
yeah.
He
Stop
has a ring,
touching
and when he
yourself.
puts it on
Do you
the-
see
on
my
the-
hand? Why do you
on
keep
the-
walking
on the
away?
ring.
Are you thinking about my ring?
Sorry.
Oh,
Can you
and he
move?
touched me.
I'm
Did you
trying
touch
to
my
play.
ring? Why are you reacting off me? No one even hears you.
So
You're
when
in your
he
head.
has the ring,
Think
he
of
disappears.
dicks.
So he
Think
has
of
to go-
balls. Think of my balls. Now you're in your head. Keep going. I don't exist. Keep going. Keep going.
When he has,
Go.
when he has
Yeah,
a ring, he
jumping.
has to
You
go
think
to
that'll
the-
help?
He has to go to
Do you
the
think really
mortar, he
that'll
has
help? What? Do
put it inside
put the
fire.
inside him.
And
yeah.
the ring
and deep
was
inside,
made
but it was massive.
by
And it was made by
Sauron.
the Sauron.
And
Why
if
do you talk like that? It's so weird. And the fact that you're licking your lips makes it super sexual and inappropriate. Last one. Keep going. Keep going. And yeah, jumping up.
ring
What is this,
is
like
made
a
by
fight?
Sauron.
Are you like, let's go, let's go?
He
It's just
made
a
it
talk.
to
What would your
use it
parents
for
think
the
of you right
other-
now?
to control the
What
other
would
rings,
really the
which
rings?
the
You're
rest
so
of the rings were
obsessed with
given to the
rings.
humans, to the
What-
elves,
and the elves and the
dwarves.
and the dwarves and the and the yeah. Ooh. So for now, and the so like this, and the go and the say,
He takes his best friend Sam.
Tell us more about it. Yeah. Oh, you got really quiet with that. Yeah. Give him a hand. By the way, I was messing with you. You did really good. I do mean it. Like, for real. Like, being very modest, I'm quite good at imposing frames. And what he went through, especially on stage with the camera and me just like trying every angle, like, did you feel it? Like the times where it's like, oh, focus, like, oh, like trying to bring back like that center and
Yeah. I was also like confused how I'm gonna tell this whole story, you know? And so,
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's super tough. But that's the thing. It's like if you're able to draw that from within, and that's why it has to be authentic. Because if it's a shtick that's, you'll fail every single time. That's how you stay grounded and not drawn in. So, I'll have you have a seat. Dude, give him a hand, everybody. Bring it in, man. Dude, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Now, what you just watched here is just a small piece of a larger system and process. So what you want to do now is click this video here to see exactly what I'm talking about and how it all fits together.